Today, I'm here at Molina High School with Chef Coleman, and she's going to make Vietnamese spring rolls for us today. All right, hello, Chef Coleman.
Well, hello, and thanks for having us here today.
Thank you. Can you give us a little background information on Vietnamese spring rolls?
Yes, I would love to. Vietnamese fresh spring rolls are a dish that originated from Vietnam, and it actually translates in Vietnamese to fresh spring rolls because of the paper that we're using today. The goi con paper translates actually into salad rolls. Goi meaning salad and con meaning to coil or to roll. And so that is where the name comes from.
Wow, okay, so are you ready to make this delicious dish for us?
Yes, I am. And I just wanted to say a couple other things about Vietnamese cooking. And the thing is that it is very much revered for its fresh ingredients, its minimal use of dairy and oil, and its complementary textures of the nice herbs and vegetables that are used in it. So the one thing about this dish I love the most is that if you have celiac disease or you are allergic to gluten, this is a gluten-free dish. It is no gluten in it, and the fact that the rolls are made of rice paper and the noodles we are using are rice vermicelli.
Oh wow, it sounds so healthy and I'm getting hungry already. Let's go make this dish.
All right, let's do this. Okay, so we're going to start by making our poaching liquid for our shrimp. You can either poach in plain water or you can add aromatics and herbs to your water. In this water here, I am adding Thai basil, garlic, a piece of raw ginger, onion, a shrimp bouillon cube, and we're going to allow that to come up to a boil and then let those flavors kind of marry for a while. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our peeled and deveined shrimp. Let them sit in the liquid for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are pink. Then we're going to go ahead and lift them out of the water, draining them and immediately putting them into an ice bath so that they can stop the cooking process right away. So over here we have laid out our tray of all of our mise en place, which are all of the ingredients that we're going to be using inside of our spring rolls. So here I have a mixture of a salad that I have kind of prepared with some fresh vegetables. Now we're going to start assembling. We're going to first take our rice paper, dip it in some warm water, and let it sit for no more than like 20 seconds. Your rice paper may still be firm when it comes out of the water, but as it begins to set, it will actually soften more. Then on the lower third of our paper, we're going to add in our salad mixture. Then I'm adding in a few cucumbers. And on top of that, I'm going to add my rice vermicelli noodles. I'm going to lift the bottom corner of my paper over my salad mixture and begin rolling. Be sure to tuck in the sides, making sure you get those corners in so that your salad doesn't fall out. And then after that first roll, we're gonna lay out our shrimp. We're laying the pink side down so that that's the pretty side that's for display. And then we're going to roll those over, again, making sure all of our sides are tucked in and wrapping all around and pulling tightly closed. The longer our rice paper sits, the softer it becomes and it begins to stick to one another. And there you have it, fresh Vietnamese spring rolls. So I have one of my students here doing our peanut sauce, and we're going to be making the peanut sauce, which is a dipping sauce that we serve in accompaniment to our spring rolls. So for this sauce, we are going to make it using 2/3 cup of hoisin sauce. We're going to add in a 1/3 cup of peanut butter, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and we're going to put that all together in a bowl and whisk until it's smooth. Once we've whisked everything together, our peanut sauce is done. It's simple as that.
Wow, this looks delicious. What is the name of this again?
This is the Vietnamese fresh spring roll, the goi con, which is a salad roll.
Oh, yum, yum. Are you ready to taste this?
I am.
Okay, let's try. Dip it.
Yeah, you're gonna dip it in the peanut sauce. So this is a peanut sauce that we made fresh, and it is a really great pairing with our salad roll.
I love how it's very, very good mix with the spring roll and the peanut sauce and the crunchiness of the vegetables.
I really like how the freshness of all the herbs really are elevated when you eat them with the rice noodle paper and the noodles, because they are a good conductor of flavor.
It is absolutely delicious. Well, thank you so much, Chef Coleman, and thank you so much, Molina High School, for taking us on a tour to Vietnam with this amazing spring roll.
Thank you for having us.